The battle between the monitor lizard and the marsupial is a tense and unexpected natural confrontation, reflecting the harshness of the wild. The monitor lizard, often dubbed the king of lizards, is one of the most powerful reptiles. With its long body, tough scales, sharp claws, and impressive climbing and hunting abilities, it is a formidable predator. Reaching lengths of up to 2 meters and armed with a powerful bite, the monitor lizard typically preys on small animals, including birds, marsupials, and even the eggs of other species. In this battle, the monitor lizard followed a scent trail to a tree hollow where a mother marsupial and her young were hiding. Using its sharp claws and predatory instincts, the lizard advanced slowly, threatening its prey with an intimidating presence. The battle seemed as though it would end quickly, with the king of lizards holding the upper hand. However, the outcome was truly surprising. The marsupial fought valiantly and successfully drove the monitor lizard away from the hollow. Despite its strength, the monitor lizard suffered minor head injuries and retreated in the face of the marsupial's fierce resistance. This result shows that in the harsh natural world, the strong do not always emerge victorious. The marsupial's courage, agility, and survival instincts allowed it to overcome a life-or-death situation. The mongoose is a fierce predator and the nightmare of scorpions. With its agility and immunity to certain poisons, the mongoose can confront and kill scorpions, despite their dangerous nature. The mongoose's intelligence and fighting ability make it a formidable opponent for scorpions in the wild.